full N54. Do we want it on the rolly thing or on the ground?
I don't think that can take it.
No?
On the ground for sure.
That thing took the lift, bro. Hey, what do you think, bro? Rolly thing?
No.
Dude, it took
There's no
a hole on the
to.
lift. No, then we can push it around. What do you think? On here or on the ground? We can hoist it up anytime, but
I don't know. I feel like I might.
Yeah.
you want to try it?
Nah, let's put it on the
Try it if you want. I don't want it.
All right.
fucking sketchy guy.
That's good, yeah. Yeah. Go. The straps.
Yeah, you're strapped on.
One more strap. Might have to go up to get this strap.
Oh, we need up?
Yeah, for this strap. It's kind of under.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Unless you want to hit it from there. Yeah, no, probably need to go up. Yeah, it's the top. A little more.
No more. Boom it up for a second. Yeah.
Yeah, let's get it in the air for a sec. There we go.
More than
Little
that,
more.
yeah. It's gotta go like a half foot.
There you go.
More than that.
Yeah,
Another foot.
Let's go foot.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Cool. Alright, you can come down. Oh,
Wait.
alright, yeah, you can come down.